I'm addicted to finessing. I'm addicted to finessing. I'm addicted to finessing.
Hey internet besties, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button down below. The wig that I'm reviewing for you guys today is from Outre. This is the Melted Hairline Suvi lace front wig, and I have her in the color DR Creamy Truffle. This is a good old La Synthetica, and this unit retails online for between $33 to about $40, I think is the highest price I saw. So you guys see I am going ahead and slapping her on, and this unit does have combs. There are 2 combs near the temple, 1 comb in the back, and it also has an elastic band in the back. I'm just kind of playing around with the part to see how I want it to lay. Y'all, it looked crazy initially. And so what I did is I went through with my comb and I just kind of combed down that initial hump and frizziness that I saw up at the top. You can also go in with like your electric hot comb. I didn't do that for this install, but you absolutely can. So I'm just brushing through the hair now, or combing through the hair rather, just to kind of see what the curls look like. And then you can also see that I do have some baby hair as well. I didn't end up laying the baby hair, I just kind of left it as is, but I did go in and customize the hairline a little bit. Next you're gonna kind of see me with my mousse, because I really wanted to lay down that hump at the top. And that usually comes from, if you're not familiar with synthetic units, that usually comes from the way that the units are packaged. So normally they're like wrapped and stuffed with this like paper, and the longer that it sits in that packaging, the more likely it is that it's gonna have that hump there at the top. And also some companies add like additional filler hair to make it fuller at the top, and that can also cause that hump. So you can always just go in with mousse, and then if you like to kind of like give extra lay it down, you can use your electric hot comb to just run through it as well to flatten that out. I didn't end up doing it this time, but you can. So again, with the baby hair, I didn't end up like swooping them and laying them. I just kind of like brushed them to the side. But I did go into the part and I started using my fingers. I didn't pluck. I used my fingers to kind of pull out some hairs along the hairline, like just right where the part starts, because I feel like it just looks more natural when that piece of the part is a little bit more open. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And finally, I'm just gonna go in with some powder in the parting space just to kind of conceal those knots a little bit. You guys know I always keep it 100 with you guys, and just so you know, you will still be able to see the grids from the lace, okay? I know there are some YouTubers online that are like, oh, this will 100% hide the lace. Girl, ain't no hide, no lace, okay? If somebody is close up, like in your face, they'll be able to see the lace. That's fine, who cares? The powder actually just kind of helps conceal it from a distance, but you're never gonna be able to 100% hide the knots, and that's okay. Everybody knows we out here wigging it, okay? We wiggity wigging it, and everybody knows, and that's fine. So this is what the part looks like after I've kind of done that customization, and I'm showing you the baby hair again, just so you can kind of get an idea of what it would look like if I laid it down. And then again, this is the part. And then I'll show you also what the back of the wig looks like. So you guys can see it's kind of like an angled bob. Those front pieces are a little bit long, and then the back gets shorter, has some additional highlights in the back, and it of course is like very full and pretty, but also kind of gives you some neck breathing room so you're not out here sweating in the back of your neck. So yeah, this is the final look. So my final thoughts on this unit is a good bang for your buck, okay? She is so full, so pretty. The color, the curls, the body, the bounce, okay? She is giving. I'm absolutely obsessed with this unit. You guys saw the installation process was not very difficult at all. I did not secure her down with like my my lace holding spray or any got to be glued or anything like that, because I am doing another wig review after this. But if I wanted to, I could definitely go ahead and secure her down and rock her for a couple of days. I'm not experiencing any tangling or shedding, which is surprising because usually with like ombre units, they tend to shed quite a bit. Not experiencing any shedding, not experiencing any tangling, even back at the nape. I really like this shape of the cut of this unit because it just gives you so much body up top, but it's giving me like that Sierra, like big body up here and then kind of like a taper. Or was that Beyonce? I can't remember. I'll find the picture and I will post it so you guys can take a look. I would definitely say it's big head friendly. Love the elastic band in the back, super stretchy, comfortable. It does have 3 combs like I mentioned before, so there are 2 up here near the temple, 1 in the back. And this is low maintenance, low effort, high result, okay? Yeah, this unit is definitely really, really pretty, and I think it's a good like transition wig, because right now we're in that weird transition period from like summer going into fall. It's starting to get colder, but you know, you still have some of those like really hot, abnormally hot days, especially when you're living in the South. So like kind of a short bob type situation is good because it's not gonna be too hot on your neck, but also it's giving a little bit more fall, a little bit more body, a little bit more pumpkin spice, okay? Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment sections. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Give this video a like. And yeah, I have tons more synthetic units coming for you guys. I know I've been kind of on like a human hair marathon here lately, but I am coming back with tons of new synthetic hair reviews for you guys, so I'm excited. If you are not subscribed, click that subscribe button down below because I'm about to hit you with a new Amazon haul for wigs coming up here soon. I plan to have that video posted next week, but it may be the week after that. But if you're interested, please click that subscribe button, click the notification bell because YouTube be tripping, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.